The E8i52 is a dot pin marking machine. It is composed of an E8 electronic controller and a compact and robust marking head. It is the ideal machine for integration into production lines. The intuitive programming system and embedded software make the machine easy to control and add power to operations. With its optimized dimensions, 3 mounting faces, and its weight of only 3.2 kilos, the i52 is easy to integrate. The electromagnetic stylus assembly moves along 2 axes and can cover a 50 by 20 mm marking window. The heavy-duty cabinet and durable stainless steel bellows allow operation in heavy industrial environment. The E8i52 simply starts by plugging in. Its controller allows you to create and store up to 2000 marking files, text, logos and data matrix, via a comprehensive and user-friendly interface. Its power enables to control up to 4 axes. The cabinet is completely sealed, without ventilation, for use in industrial environments. Connectivity is complete with 3 serial ports, 1 USB port, optional Ethernet, and its SIC tool software suite for PC. With the E8i52, you get fast and accurate marking thanks to the power of the E8 software. The high-quality marking is a standard, even on small surfaces. Controller performance and size define it as a benchmark for integrators.